It's Friday. This is what the job's looking like. We had to pack up for a couple days, put all this stuff aside for us to get started. The guys are backing up the dump trailer right now to get everything ready. This is the hole, as you guys saw in the last video. They're gonna be digging this out and hopefully putting the liner in today. This is our setup. Beautiful, beautiful house in this courtyard. I'm super excited to see the finished product of this. It's gonna be awesome. Full ecosystem pond from that literal concrete underground bunker. It seems that thing was crazy. We made some really good progress over the past couple days, and today we're hoping to make way more.
What is this? It's Friday, good weather. Sun's out, guns out. Trailer's here, backed up, ready to dig, ready to work. Happy birthday, cameraman.
I'm standing next to my main man, Cheese. We got Drew down in the hole. Beef's over there by the waterfall. Right, Mason? And we got our new buddy over here, Andrew. He's helping us out the next couple days. And right now we are putting in the rock pad in the bottom of the pond. This is our underliner. It's a protective barrier. Does a couple of different things. It's gonna protect the liner from any little sharp pokies that are in the ground. We do our best to pick those out, but sometimes there's some unforeseen things. So we're gonna protect the liner in that way. It also allows that liner to glide and move as we're setting stones, so that liner isn't catching on like a sharp stick or some rough ground and tearing as a rock's being set. And it allows actually the ground to breathe underneath the liner, so it's not gonna build up any mold and stuff. We're gonna put this in. Next step, once they get it all formed to our shelves, we're gonna grab our liner, set that in place, and then we're gonna work on making our attachment to our skimmer, which you can see over there by the pipe. And then we wait for the rocks to get delivered and we start making the magic happen with all the stones. And we got some sweet boulders picked out, as you will see if you follow our TikTok.
Yeah, I don't know why they started calling me Cheese. It doesn't make sense. If I were a cheese, I think I'd be Havarti.
Got our underliner, rock pad in, liners in the hole. Right now the guys are collapsing the tent because we're packing up for the weekend. Monday morning we're gonna dig out the stream section for our waterfall. We're gonna make our liner attachment to both biological waterfall filter and the skimmer. Probably hook up our plumbing and make sure everything's good to go while we wait for the rock delivery. That's coming at 10 a.m. and then it's rocking and roll time, baby. We're gonna start getting this bottom ring rocked and working our way up and making magic happen. Check it out, guys. Rock pile. Literally just got delivered. You're looking at 8 to 9 tons of beautiful, beautiful fieldstone that is soon gonna be transformed into living art. We're kind of doing a rough sort of the pile, kind of unburying some stuff, getting our big frame rocks and accent pieces rolled to the side, getting all our hand-sized stuff that we're gonna do the majority of the rocking with, kind of like in little sorted piles, so we can get to work, hauling it into the backyard, one by one, and setting it in its forever home in the pond.
So today we attached the liner to the skimmer and the biofalls. We got the waterfall all rocked and set up. We got our delivery of rocks today. Filled all the gaps. We got the bottom layer totally rocked. We just need to do the outside now. Finish setting the spill rock. So this is what 6 hours of rocking looks like. We're fighting against time, but hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to have the whole pond rocked, maybe edged, and we'll be able to get a look at it just dry.